Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Last week we decided to go camping, so this is our camping food vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can you guess the first thing on the menu? It was rabbit. This was pre-bought from a supermarket. So first we washed it thoroughly and did a dry rub of different spices and barbecued the rabbit. To go along with the rabbit, we boiled some pasta. We just ended up boiling the pasta in these foil trays, and it worked out perfectly, and they're a great alternative to carrying a pan. For the sauce, we just chopped up some hot dogs, added the pasta sauce, and just like that, the pasta was ready to eat. Can't forget the watermelon. It was so refreshing and sweet. Corn was also a great addition for the kids as they love to snack on corn. We also parboiled some potatoes and grilled them for those extra carbs. Time to go for a hike! Let's cut some wood for the campfire. So for dinner, we just barbecued some pre-marinated chicken. Can't forget dessert, time for some s'mores. Time to get some sleep. Good night. Very good morning from Food and Spices. Let's make some breakfast. So we started with some simple oatmeal. Then added on a full English breakfast with hot dogs, bread, eggs, and beans. Super easy to make and super delicious to eat. For lunch, we had rotisserie chicken. We hope you enjoyed our camping food vlog. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching.